Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join Plants vs. Brainrots, specifically how to enter the Discord server for the game. As you can see, we're already inside Roblox because this can be done both on your computer and your mobile device, such as a cell phone, iPad, or tablet. What we need to do is very simple. Since we're already in the game, we're going to go to the search bar and type Plants vs. Zombies. Click on it, and this will be the main option, which is the official game. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and you'll see a section called Social Links. Inside the Social Links section, you'll have the option to join both X, Twitter, and Discord. In this case, we're specifically interested in Discord, so simply click on the game's Discord link. As you can see, a new tab will open which will take you directly to the game's Discord server. From there, all you need to do is log into your Discord account. It will open in your desktop app or on your mobile device. And just like that, you'll be able to join the game's or server's Discord. As you can see, it's really a very simple process.